Hi Expo, we're going to review the LG Dare. It is a new phone that Verizon sells, and my husband's going to show you how this works. That's how you would dial. And when you touch the pad, how does it feel?
There's a slight pushback or vibration when you hit the buttons so that it feels like you're actually touching something.
And it's a flat screen. Why don't you show us how it rotates?
We got to go into a program that rotates, so let's go into the Media Center.
Now this is a good alternative, a cheaper alternative to the iPhone, and being that Verizon doesn't actually sell iPhones, if you're a Verizon member, then this is a good alternative for having a flat screen. You can have music on it and pictures on it.
Ooh, volume's a little high.
And you can see there's volume buttons on the side. Oh, and it flips around side to side. It's kind of a neat phone. It has some kind of internal sensor for what's front and what's back and all that. We actually have a skin-it on it, if you're seeing some of the... Oh, and a cover. So there's the skin-it and the cover. It comes black with silver trim. And what else is neat about this phone? Let's see.
Oh,
I kind of like that function. Kind of looks like a whole bunch of stuff scattered on your screen.
There's a half menu. You can choose icons out of here, drag them to your desktop, and now they're at your desktop and you can use them.
Oh, that's kind of cool. And you can hook it up to your computer.
You can attach it to your computer. You can use it for data if you want to buy the data package, so you can connect to the internet from anywhere. You can also use it with Rhapsody is the program that it comes with in the package when you buy the phone, and Rhapsody will actually allow you to move music back and forth from your phone. If you want to buy new music, you can add it.
What's this little star here do?
The little star in the corner?
Yeah, what's that do?
That shows you your favorites.
Oh, favorites for phone?
Yes.
Okay. And so, with this flat screen, do you have the option to have people in speed dial? Something like that?
You can, but for the most part, I find that if you hit the little microphone and then say that you want to call somebody, that it's easier than trying to pull up the dial pad and then trying to hold a button.
So it does have that. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything else on here that you think's pertinent? People would want to know?
You have a web browser that you can use to get around. It goes to the LG page or the Verizon page immediately. It also has mobile email, which I have set up so that I can actually go in and take a look at my email. So I've got my email account in here.
Why don't you show us the typing screen? Can you get to that?
Okay, let me go ahead and bring up the email here, and we'll...
Now, we've noticed that it would be nice to have a stylus to go with this, because it's just kind of difficult to touch the buttons, you know, every time. Get them in the little center spot. So a stylus would be nice to have with this. So
you can either type in a 2, or you can bring up the box down. Oh, there was. Somewhere there's an option to add it from your contacts. I don't remember where, but to type, you can flip the phone sideways and then type the board like that, or you can hit the little pencil button here and say A,
and then it goes up there.
B, oops, except I went down too far.
Yeah, so there's some learning curve to this to figuring out how it likes you to write.
Yeah.
And a stylus, again, would come in handy for that.
Definitely. I've tried a stylus in this screen, and you can write much easier with it.
Well, overall, do you like it?
I do like it. I go back and forth about the fact that maybe I would have liked a Windows mobile phone, versus the LG's, you know, their format of phone with Verizon software on it. The Windows Mobile phone would be nice because you have all of your regular Windows applications on it, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, as well as Outlook and any other thing that you get used to using on your desktop. Also, a lot of the Windows Mobile phones have a slightly larger screen due to the fact that they're expecting you to use it to take notes and to respond to Word documents and Excel documents and whatnot. So, but it's a great phone for not having it in the business aspect of doing things like responding to emails on a regular basis and writing and taking notes on my phone.
Okay, so
it
overall,
also has a 3.2 megapixel camera, which is pretty great.
Yeah. And it also has video taking capabilities.
Correct.
With that little camera. And overall, it's a good, you know, it's a good stepping stone to get to that iPhone, maybe. Alright, thanks for watching our review.